I got a panic call from the client PM. Santosh, your project is getting delayed. Next day, I rushed to the site to meet the client project manager. When I met him, he told me something which really opened my mind. Before moving ahead, let me introduce myself. I am Santosh Panda, a construction project professional. I have over 15 years of experience in leading different types of construction projects. I am speaking this concept from my experience. Based on the inputs given by the client project manager, I can formalize these four key factors that can lead to the success of a project. First, smart people. Any project has a number of people who leads the project. It may be a project manager, it may be a project supervisor, it may be a planning engineer, it may be a site engineer. All these people runs the project. If the people are not right, whatever plan you make, whatever strategy the project manager makes, nothing can be implemented properly. So, the peoples are the key to success. So, how to make a smart team from the start of the project? The project manager has to be very clear about his team requirement. The team should have all type of people: the subject matter experts, the planner, the executors, the controllers, so that the project can be technically right, properly planned, properly executed, and time to time it should be controlled to make it on track when it is going out of track. The second key element is smart planning. Why we are talking about smart planning? Because if we will do the planning properly at this initial stage, it can be implemented properly in the next stages. Every project manager do the planning, but why we are saying smart planning? Smart planning involves all stakeholders. It takes the inputs from all stakeholders. So you have a clear cut vision of the project seen through the eyes of all stakeholders. There are instances when even the supervisor can give you a better suggestion how to execute the work rather than a project engineer. So the voice of all stakeholders should be taken care to get a proper planning. So we are talking about smart planning. The third key element is open communication. In any project or any environment, communication is key to success. If the communication is not open or proper, there are chances of distortion of information which leads to disaster. So The communication should be clear, defined properly, targeted to the proper audience. The fourth key element is careful risk management. Whatever plan you make, the projects sometime or the other will go out of track. None of the projects go 100% as per plan. There are internal risks or external risks which are responsible for derailing the project from the planned way. But if you have planned the risks, identified the risks and planned it properly, then you are able to manage the risks on time before it makes your project a failure. I think if you implement all these key elements, your project will definitely lead a success path. All project managers wants his project to be successful. So I am sure all of you will want to know more how to implement these four key elements in your project to make your project successful. If you are really interested, please DM me. We will have a detailed discussion on each point, how to implement it. Thank you.